Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Here's a tutorial on how to run an API in Python using the Flask framework, along with a simple code example. Flask is a lightweight Python web framework that allows you to quickly create web applications, including APIs. It provides a simple and flexible way to build web services. First, you need to install Flask using pip, if you haven't already. Let's create a simple API that returns a greeting message when accessed. To run the API, execute the following command in your terminal. This will start a development server, and your API will be accessible at http://localhost 5000. You can test your API by accessing the defined route in your web browser or using tools like curl or postman. In this tutorial, you've learned how to create a simple API using Flask in Python. Flask provides a straightforward way to build APIs, making it an excellent choice for small to medium-sized projects. You can extend this example by adding more routes and implementing more complex functionality as needed. Remember to explore Flask's documentation for more advanced features and best practices for building APIs. Happy coding! ChatGPT